Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. So I hope you have watched all the alphabet series from N alphabet to Z alphabet. Today I'm going to make a M alphabet. So let's start, and I have started with the grid as usual. So first of all, I need to tell you that I'm going backward from C to A, as you have noticed already. It's just because when you will check my feed, then you will see the series in the correct way. That's why I started from end to beginning. I'm using this Maped compass to make the grid with pen, because as you know, with the regular compass we can't use pen with it. So that's why I use the Maped compass for that. And you can buy from any stationery shop, or you can buy online as well. The company name is Maped. So guys, let's complete the grid first, and then later on we'll do the details in it. As if you have watched all the videos, then you observed that firstly I started with the multicolors, pastel shades. Then I started using two shades of the color combination to make a beautiful alphabet mandala. And I even used most of the I used boho art for most of the alphabet series, but for the background, for the corners. But after I'll I'll leave the boho patterns as well to you know to change a little bit, and to try something new. Because if you check that from M to Z, I just used only boho. Yeah, but I in 2 or 3 videos I even used simple borders for, I think, black sketchbook. But now from now onwards I'll only just use other patterns after M. So whose names started with M, just let me know in comments, guys. And did you like my alphabet series? Just let me know as well which series you want to see in my next videos. Is a particular series or is a particular content, so please let me know also, so that I'll upload that videos or that series for you only. Here I am using the blue and red combination. Both the colors are vibrant and attractive, they are bright, and you can use any of according to your choice, any colors. After completing this, we will only focus on the alphabet from L to A, and most of the alphabets I have covered. Even you can check my shorts too if you don't have time to check the long videos as well. But long videos are most beneficial, because you can check the each and every pattern, each and every detail in the long video. In short, I am unable to upload all the details because of the time duration, because of the due to the time and lack of time. So basically this is the main purpose, to upload a long video for me, so that you can learn the each and every detail of my mandala. Most of the people says that you make a beautiful mandala, that your mandala is too good. Guys, for making a mandala you need a patience, you need a lot of hard work. You should be calm, only then you can make a perfect mandala. Mandala art basically is a art of patience, and you need to be patient always while drawing mandala. And most of the people even says that I have started mandala, but I left it behind in middle just because I was getting bored. Guys, please, even if you have started your mandala, if you are going to make a mandala and in middle or after some times you are getting bored, just leave it and make yourself comfortable, make yourself creative again. Take some time and then continue. Just don't rush, don't panic, and don't complete this mandala in hurry or in quick way, because it will be ruined as well. So it's not for just only mandala, this is for each and every artwork you are going to make. Every artwork needs patience, every artwork needs time, every artwork needs hard work. So guys, don't panic always, just do with patience. This is my main tip for all of you. And this is almost going to complete. बातें करते 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 कब कंप्लीट हो गया पता भी नहीं चला. And now I'm going to make my favorite boho pattern background with the colorful details. And as I have used the two colors, so I'll use the two colors for the corners as well, for alternatively or in cross section, that left upper side, so right bottom side, like this. So I'll complete the design. And for the boho patterns, I'll use the black gel pen or markers for making the details and completing the details. Guys, which content of mine you like the most? Like I make a lot of keychain, fridge magnets, dot mandalas, alphabet mandala. So which content you like the most, just let me know in comments. It will make me motivated, and I'll encourage with your comments. So let me know. And what are your suggestions and what are your advices for me to make a perfect mandala, to make a attractive mandala? Just let me know also, because your opinion is very important for me as well. Guys, it's almost going to complete now, and I have completed the boho art as well. You can check, the boho art is very easy and it can be done freehand only. So you can use different kind of pens. Mostly boho art always make with the pastel shades, because it always made by pastel colors or pastel shades with the light shades. But yeah, I prefer boho art with both of the shades, like pastel, light, dark, each and every one. So it's almost done. I have completed all the corners as well. I hope you are watching my video till now, till the end. So I hope you like the process for making this beautiful mandala art. If you like the process, please guys, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon also, so that you will get notifications every time for my live sessions, for my long videos, for my shorts and posts. So after subscribing, please be creative. आप लोग भी ज़रूर try करना. And please check the final look of my beautiful M Mandala art. This is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care everyone. Bye.